Doesn't like his job, I guess.
Ain't say nothing, but I don't play shit like that, bro.
Why you taking pictures of him?
Shandula.
What that mean?
Shalamela.
War palace. Every slave come out to play. Now we got a gang of motherfuckers ready to explode their stomach because they eat too much for lunch. Now that the people are going, I don't understand it if people interrupting our film and they don't want to shut the fuck up and go back it to work. Motherfucker, bitch, mother. Wanted to come and bother filming, taking pictures, motherfucker.
Man, say a what? Hey, over here, buddy. Not 7 Up over here. Take picture of him.
You're a bitch, motherfucker. Fuckature, motherfucker. Lighted me up. Never take picture. Never take picture of me.
Hold on, guys.
Where is all of this lighter you put on my face here?
Okay. What are you guys doing over here?
Kuraju.
What are you guys doing over here?
Kuraju.
Huh?
Kuraju.
What's Hurachu?
Kuraju. What did you want on?
I don't know what you're saying. What's Hurachu?
Kuraju. What did you want on?
And what?
Sorry?
Nagasewa?
Oh, they're pretending to be Native American. That's what they're trying to do. Oh,
Kuraju.
wow.
Fucker Jumana.
Whatever.
Kuraju.
Hey, back off. This driveway is private property. You cannot stand on it. Go over there.
Fucker walk right here. Motherfucker. Eat the shit, motherfucker.
You guys gotta stay off the driveway.
Shut up, each other's mouth there, stupid. Stupid mouth there. A piece of shit in him.
Shit up. Piece of shit up. Fuck up.
now you're interfering with our ability to do the job. If you don't stop that strobe light, I'm gonna take it from you.
I don't have strobe light, stupid motherfucker. You got a strobe light, stupid. What is your stupid
That's
problem,
your friend.
motherfucker?
I'm talking to your friend.
Shut the fuck up.
Piece of shit, huh?
Stupid shit, motherfucker.
They're pretending they have a Middle Eastern accent.
Suck a
They
dick.
got nothing better to do. They're idiots. And that's all you're. Just keep your doors closed.
Like an idiot. No, no, no.
What's that?
Stupid idiot, huh?
Learn law. Learn law.
Stupid idiot, huh? Blinding me with a flashlight, huh?
Violation.
That is called peanut picture.
Bitch up, violation.
But if they do anything besides stand out,
Oh, you call your stupid mother, you piece of shit, huh? Not police. Call your mother so you can cry, bitch, huh? Piece of shit, huh?
well, it depends on where.
See, it's a gray line that's right here.
Actually,
over there.
it's like about 100 feet into your building.
Yeah.
And right up to the
Do not you.
Go stick up your ass, huh, bitch, huh? Piece of shit, motherfucker. You look like a clown now, huh, bitch?
You clown. You clown.
Oh, you clown, aren't you? Bitch, motherfucker. Look, an idiot doesn't even know how to use the flashlight. Has to pull out hand flashlight. Piece of shit. Oh, look at you.
Shit,
He is such a big guy with flashlight.
that's not he's so tough.
You're a big guy with a camera.
You big guy.
You look
Big
like
pussy.
Some idiot.
You big pussy.
Alright, do not you. Have a good night.
Do that to your fucking ass out.
Yep.
Bitch, a motherfucker. Piece of shit.
Do not you. Goodbye, do not you.
Fuck it, your mother.
Good job, fella.
What's up with it? You want to talk to us? Hey, motherfucker. Kick it you out, motherfucker. Get out of here, motherfucker. You get out of here, motherfucker. Fuck
What happened? You guys are a bunch of little babies.
You call police, motherfucker. Fuck at you.
You dumb motherfuckers. You dumb motherfuckers.
Oh,
What's up, bro? Part of the press.
Yeah, I know, man.
I love what you guys do. And you're live, right?
No, we're not live.
You gotta do the First Amendment audit at San Fernando. The watch commander, Aguirre, is a dickhead. I'll say it on camera. This guy fucking gave me a ticket for. He just gave me some crazy shit, dude. If you guys can do it, it's up to you. You guys come from San Bernardino area, right?
I'm SUV News.
Okay. So if I think he's the watch commander right now, because they have different watch commanders.
Oh, you think if we go down to the PD, they'll trip out?
I think so, yeah, because he's night shift only. Yeah. So he's night shift. But I love what you guys do.
Yeah. You heard the call on the scanner or what? You heard the call on the scanner?
Yeah, I have the scanner.
Oh, okay. What did they say?
Just because when they say vest and then the noise, already assumed it was you guys. so I was like, oh, dude, I gotta meet these guys. You guys are fucking awesome. I love you guys, Bird, Potato, and there's a couple that I don't know their names.
I'm Pedo Libre Audit.
That's what's up, bro. I think Officer Gear, bro. He's a fucking doesn't like people filming. At all.
We'll get him, man. We'll go out there and
Yeah,
do
it'll
our
be a
thing.
pleasure. He's a fucking dickhead. I'll say it on camera. I don't give a shit.
Yeah,
For
bro.
sure, man.
But anyways, you guys stay blessed.
Yeah,
Be
you
safe,
do your
alright,
thing
fellas?
too, brother. Be safe out there,
You
bro.
too, man. You guys take it easy.
Be safe.
And I
Later,
love what you
man.
guys are doing.
Yeah, man. Stay safe.
Hey. There it is, guys. This guy's all about freedom of the press. Out there looking for those calls, just like us. Shala mihala, motherfucker, piece of shit. These guys, Pedo Libre Audit, representing.
SGV News First.
Let's do
We're
it.
out here.